Hi, how's it going? Let's have a nice bit of dinner. So, today we're going to need a mushroom, we're going to need a carrot, a red onion, some ramen noodles, some curry sauce, salt and pepper, bit of olive oil, and we're going to need a pepper. We're making one of my favourite meals today, and that's curried noodles. So first, we get the noodles. While the noodles are soaking, we're going to do these, and then finally we'll make the curry sauce. So here we go. So first things first, let's stick the kettle on. We need this bowl for the noodles, this plate to cover it while they're soaking. So just any pack of ramen noodles will do. We are not going to use the seasoning, only the noodles, okay? So there's our noodles, seasoning pack, straight in the bin. Packaging, recycling. Now, to help this along, as you can see, it's double layer. They kind of fold it over. Sometimes you can separate them. This one doesn't look like it, but oh yes it will. Yeah. Now, we're just going to cover it in boiling water, pop the plate up and leave it to do its do. And while that's doing its do, we're going to get our curry sauce mix. Have a look down here. There we are. Tells you exactly. Now, I do it by weight rather than spoons, and that's up to you. Okay. We're going to need 43 grams of curry powder. That's a bit much. So, put some back. There we are. Okay, leave that to one side. Kettle's boiled now. So we'll put some water over our noodles. Put the plate on top, leave them to it. Okay, so we finished our scallions, put that away, and we can start chopping our veg. Oh, I got my wok, I've stuck it on, and we'll get some olive oil in there. I might have run out of oil in my pump. Okay, that should be enough anyway. Now, I'm going to be grating the carrot, but you can slice it if you like. So we've got our grated carrot in there, and we've sliced the mushroom nice and thin. Onion, sliced however you like it, in the pan. Pepper, I like to do it in long strips like this, in the pan. Give it a good mix around with a pair of tongs or whatever. Now some people like to add soy sauce. I don't think I will be doing, because we're having curry sauce for this. Yeah, it's up to personal taste, but we're liking it, but soy sauce ain't for me. I do like a little bit of salt. Right, these noodles, yeah, they're soft now, so we need to drain the water off and chuck them in. And get your tongs, give them a good bothering. Get everything mixed around. Right, watch your heat on this because they will stick to the bottom in nobody's business. Now you're supposed to put 250 mils of water in here. Personally, I just got to 200. Makes that a little bit thicker. There we go. And then just dump that on your noodles. There we go. Now, if you're having a problem with the tongs, if stuff's sticking, get a wooden spatchy. And you can really get to town on that and get it off the bottom of the pan. So, there we go. That curry sauce works right through it all. There we are. And we're just waiting for that to get a bit hotter, I suppose. There we go. Wooden spatchy spatch because it's a non-stick wok. Never use any metal implements. Silicone, plastic and wood only. Oh, that looks lovely to me. So we'll turn that off. There you are. Look at that. Now, if you wanted more protein or anything, you could slice a boiled egg and put that on top of that. A little fork. Get one of them nice peppers with some noodles. Oh, yeah. Mmm. Lovely. The peppers are still nice and crisp as well. So, give it a try. Nice, easy meal. I love you. Bye-bye.